How to replace the middle frame top cover. Before you begin, remove the base cover, I/O frame, bottom shielding, wireless LAN module, and system board. Removal. Remove the four 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the middle frame to the top cover. Carefully slide the middle frame out of the top cover and remove. Replacement. Important. If you are replacing the middle frame, the power button board will need to be removed from the old middle frame and attached to the new middle frame. Align the sides of the middle frame with the sides of the top cover and slide the middle frame into position on the top cover. Replace the four 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the middle frame to the top cover.